Look at it. Oh shit, dude. Oh, dude, are you okay? Oh, dude. Hold on.
My first car crash, guys.
Dude, he's gonna fuck us.
What?
What the fuck?
Oh, what the?
Oh my god, dude.
You see that?
He just ran over a fucking cat.
Yeah, just keep it like that. Alright, there you go.
Yeah.
Oh shit, what the fuck? Freaking Juan. He was trying to drift.
Oh.
Look at it. Oh shit, dude. Oh! Dude. Look at it. Oh shit, dude. Oh! Dude. Dude. Holy shit. Dude, are you okay?
My first car crash.
Oh, dude.
Hold on. My first car crash, guys.
Dude.
Alright,
Is it? Oh shit, the tire, dude. Oh. At least I record with the dash cam. Dude, if I get enough views and some money, I'll pay for this.
hey. Back it up. I'll hold it while you back it up.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Alright.
Back it up because we're just gonna hold traffic here. Dude. Anyone's got a spare tire?
The tire's good.
But it's like deflating, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It's like it's like low on pressure.
Can drift. You can make it to Woodland, maybe. I'll make it to Woodland.
Oh.
You're just gonna have to take it off if you can't put that back on. Nah, you just fucking hit it back in. That's it. That's literally all I have to do.
It's just the clips.
Watch. Now you gotta just put it on there.